Hala, mama, ano yan? Ano yan? Mama, baka hinahak ka nung yung dalawang kapatid ko raw. Di ko alam, I don't even know them. Kabusit. Agree, agree kayo. Sumaya ang lahat dahil may content ang bawat isa. Diba?
Check.
Ayan na, si mama. Mama,
My
hello mama.
my being heard.
Yeah. I can hear you now, mama. Yaya! Andito na si mama. Pakibuksan yung gate. Pakibuksan yung gate. Sige na, mama. Oh, pasok na, mama. Pakipasok na yung Porsche mo. Oh.
Okay.
You're coming in and out, mama.
Mama,
Mama. Yeah, you're coming in and out.
pwedeng
I think there's a problem with your mic,
doon
mama.
sa sinabi mong sponsor.
Okay. Mama, nagka-cut off yung line mo. Mama.
Okay na?
Yan. Try ulit, mama.
Bakit kaya? Wait lang.
Yan. Diretso na siya, mama. Yaya, paki-hold yung antena para hindi mawala si mama.
Oh, ito. No. Okay. Alam niyo naman ako, masyado ako centennial na tao, hindi ako millennial, no? So,
Mhm.
okay. So,
Yaya, binitawan mo yung antena. Nawala na naman si mama.
matanda na ako eh. Saan ba yung punto na yun na sabi ko aakyat ako, let me explain.
Yun doon sa content, yung yung nakikinabang sa
Ito,
kalingap.
ko.
Yaya, pakitin mo nga si Kuya Jose sa bubong. Hawakan yung antena. Nawawala si mama.
Connected ba? Hirap nito, wala pong IT.
Yan, okay na mama. Sige na.
Hello?
Okay na mama.
Okay. So, ano ba yung topic mo? Please refresh my memory.
It's about the content na nakikinabang kami sa Kalingap, mama. And then sabi ko, actually, nagkaroon ng contentan sila Japina, sila Jomart, and then parang nabuhay lalo yung side niyo. I think yun, mama. Tama ba?
Well, of course. Lahat nakikinabang. Nakikinabang ka, nakikinabang ako. Kapila nakikinabang. Sinong mga tao nakikinabang dito? Dahil bawat isa sa atin may hawak na YouTube channel. Ang YouTube channel is a business.
I agree, mama. Anak mo talaga ako. Sige, mama, continue.
Oh, ayan naman pala anak eh. Alam mo, talaga, no, ang mga bunso talagang mga anak ng mga pasaway.
Pero cute. Adorable naman. Hindi katulad ng iba dyan. Hindi katulad ng iba dyan, pa emo lang yon, na-vanish tuloy.
Naintindihan ko kung saan ka nanggaling. I know where you stand. And you also know where I stand.
Yes, I do, mama.
Okay. So thank you for that. That shows a lot of respect because you don't disregard my belief, where I stand with the community that I supported and
Mhm.
the community that I defend on. No,
Yes.
and likewise, I don't, I don't, I don't interfere with your affair with your own community. I let it be.
But I cannot do that, Mama. I need to interfere because we have like a set of principles that we're fighting for, and you do the same, right, Mama?
No, no, we're not alike. Sorry to say. The reason I said that, please let me elaborate this.
Yes, Mama. Yaya, kailangan ko ng gamot,
Let
nasaktan
me
ako.
elaborate this. What you are fighting for is what
Sige, Mama, go lang.
kasi na kayo, no? Nirespeto po ni Shin at Mama Bird kung sino ang sinusuportahan ko. Okay, ikaw, nirespeto ko rin kung ano ang stand mo sa prinsipyo mo. Bakit ba ako mag-i-spend ng maraming dollar para mapatapos ka lang sa Harvard if I don't support you? And
Because
I don't
that's-
believe in the principle.
Mama, that's the reason why I'm fighting for my principles kasi pinag-aral mo ako sa Harvard. That's why, kung ano yung natutunan ko doon, I'm fighting for it. Mama, come on, Yaya! Yung gamot ko.
Yes. Okay. So ganito 'yan, no? Sinasabi mo KSP si Wolf Man, and a lot of people already use Kalinga, no? When it comes to BPM. And BPM, although KSP does not mean necessarily Kalinga. And I have said Kalinga, one community, one family. Now, which part of that you didn't understand? When BPM is not part of Kalingap, is not part of the family, is not part of the community. Now, KSP is Kalingap's special privilege that
Mama,
he can content Kalingap dito. Okay? So, don't hold that against Kalingap or whatever ballpoint man did to you or challenge you.
yes, Mama, but just like what happened with my, ewan ko ba, sino ba, brother ko ba yun, brother and
Diba?
sister ko ba yung emo guy?
So,
Yun,
I know na
tinanggi
ikaw
ko rin
at
siyang kapatid
ako
ko.
marunong magpakumbaba. I know we both know how to acknowledge our flaws. Flaws.
Mama,
We
ang
cannot,
ang tagal ng delay. Ang tagal ng delay, Mama.
sorry ha, wala akong IT dito.
Kuya Jose, yung antena. Pakipihit sa kaliwa. Mama? You there, Mama? Kuya Jose, nawala na naman si Mama.
Okay, kayo. Anak, go ahead.
Delay pa rin ba ako, Mama?
Parang, may sound pa ba? No. Hindi ka pwedeng delay sa akin. Alam mo bakit? Nasa 5 gig ang ang aking internet.
Oo nga, Mama, kaso delay ka dito eh. Si Kuya Jose kasi,
So,
wag mo nang swelduhan yan.
ano ba kayo? Ano ba talaga ang punto mo dito?
Well, mama, ang punto ko lang naman dito is pinaglalaban ko lang naman yung yung like for example, I'm against like poverty porn, right? So, ayun ang ginagawa ko na gusto ko to be honest, mama, dahil pinag-aral mo ako sa Harvard, gusto ko talagang tanggalin sa society yung poverty porn. Yun lang naman, mama, sa akin. Yun lang. Sana mapagbigyan mo. Hindi na ako mamimili ng asawa. Yun na lang.
Okay. Okay,
Parang-
so
Parang na ako sa sa arranged marriage.
okay, so I got it. May pinaglalaban ka. May pinaglalaban ka, nandiyan na ako. Okay? Ayun, ang tanong, do you believe na meron din po akong pinaglalaban dito?
Opo, meron po. Alam ko po yun, mama. Kasi graduate po kayo ng UP, Harvard po ako. Kuya Jose, pag-drive mo ako.
Ayan. I love this. I love intelligent conversation. Keep it up.
Opo, alam ko po may pinaglalaban po kayo. Pinaglalaban po ako. Harvard po ako.
So,
UP kayo.
I listen.
Yun lang naman po. Yun lang naman po yung gusto ko sabihin na gusto ko talaga po i-destroy yung poverty porn sa society. Yun lang po. Para po ako hindi ko nga po alam kung bakit ako sa Harvard. Dapat ako sa UP kasi aktivista ako eh. So, dapat po yata magkabaliktad tayo. Yaya, pakitawagan nga yung Harvard.
If God did not destroy poverty porn way back then what made you think that you can destroy it now?
This is the first time, mama, kagagraduate ko lang po sa Harvard.
Way back, maybe 10 years later, 10 years earlier?
No, hindi po. Last year lang po ako, mama.
Napalusot mo anak eh. Hirap niyan eh. Nagpapalusot ka pa eh.
Hindi po ako nagpapalusot, mama. Ka-graduate ko lang po last year, February.
Okay. Ayun. There is a word saying, go with the flow. If you can't beat them, join them. All right?
Tinuro-
I'm not necessarily joining them because I can beat them. Of course, I can beat them. Okay? Kaya nga kayong anak kita dahil matalino ka. No?
Mama, sabi po kasi sa Harvard, go against the current. That's the only way you succeed.
Let's get this into
Yeah,
the
yeah.
right perspective.
Yung fresh milk ko.
No. What made you think that I go against the current?
No, I will be the one because you're my mama. You go
Let me
with...
say something to you. If you saw my video that has been played on, that was 2 years ago, okay? That was the time that I did not have my pain medication, that I resorted to drinking. But now, I don't do that anymore. So,
Yes po, tama po kayo dyan, mama.
throw me a negative comment which does not bring any intelligible meaning or words towards me. Because that make you look stupid.
Mama, yaya, yung gamot ni mama. Mayroon nagpapa-high blood kay mama. Mama,
Kayo,
ang turo po kasi sa akin ng professor ko doon sa Harvard, go against the flow, the current.
with some sarcasm. No. Sarcastic people. Okay. Ngayon tingnan natin. Gaano ka ba kagaling? Sino yung sinabihan ko? Gaano ka ba kagaling? Because I can tell you right now, no, that when it comes to argument, female to female, you are not going to gain nothing from me and you cannot measure me up.
Yes, Mama, I don't have to go against you. All I have to do is go against the rest. Yaya,
Not going to
that's
be dictated.
that's how you
People
respect your
decide.
mama, Yaya. Matuto ka, okay?
Okay. Truth is, ito kasi, let me tell you something about from my side tayo, no? I am a firm believer in helping people, regardless how it is going to come out across the border, whether it's poverty porn or not. But what really fuel from me by helping other people and adopting Kalingap is that I saw that. I saw that okay, these people really are needing my help. So I'm there to help. Out of the goodness of my heart, love and support, nandyan ako. But did I think for a minute it is about poverty porn? Of course. I don't care for that. Whether what people branded me as being a poverty porn supporter or sponsor, don't care for it. Who cares? Because what their argument about that is their own. Does not help people that I help. Now, your argument is about law and evidences. I'm there, okay?
No, Mama, no, Mama.
Yan,
My professor,
yan.
my professor in English
So, I'm
said
minding my own
something.
business within this community. And
If you want something done right, do it yourself. Yun yung sinabi sa akin ng prof ko sa Harvard. If you want done,
how am I
if you,
supposed to do
yeah.
it myself if I am using, actually, I am using as a bridge this Kalinga community so I could reach and help these people, okay? If that is my prerogative, then let it be. That's my choosing.
Yes po, Mama, but sabi nga po ng prof ko sa English literature, sabi niya po, if you want something done right, do it yourself.
Do it yourself. Yes, I know that. It's not like I didn't go to college. Of course I know that. Okay?
Yes po.
But the thing is, there is a missing link there. What if you cannot do it yourself?
Then
You
don't
will
do it at all.
But you think
Yeah,
it is-
yeah.
it is
Dictionary.
So what would you do? Then this is the road that I chosen.
I know, Mama. But there's another way. There's a right way to do it, Mama. Come on. Ask Papa.
Suppose. Okay, and then play. Okay, anak kayo. Okay, please do elaborate.
Okay, Mama, if you cannot do it yourself, actually there's a way for you to do it yourself by actually doing it sa kung nasan yung lugar mo, Mama. Yun yung tinuro sa akin sa Harvard. Because those are people too. Okay? Why are we trying to choose, like, why are we trying to be, to choose or to be selective about people to help? That's wrong! That's wrong! Yaya! Yung pineapple juice ko!
No, it's not about. Okay. Maybe wrong to you, but it is right to me because you know what? I put my Filipino people above everyone in United States. Dahil dito sa United States, mga tao dito nagugutom, busog na busog. Nabubusog talaga sila kahit gutom sila.
Paano po,
nabubusog talaga
paano po sila
There are a lot of
nagugutom?
sources of different food banks over here that they can run into. Okay? They can run to and they get them. Okay? And yung mga help namin dito, say for example, $10, 500 pesos, that's nothing. They'll just look at it as a piece of garbage. Kasi mga spoiled ang karamihan ng mga American dito. Dito sa Philippines naman, pagdating ng 500 pesos, napakaraming bagay po yan. Maraming mararating mga mahihirap nating Pilipino.
Totoo
But
po.
kasi, I don't know if you have lived here in the United States, but that is what it is.
Yes po, Mama, but if you cannot do it yourself, what's the point of it? If you cannot see the end of it, like the beneficiary, you're being a sponsor, you have to see the end of it. You have, not only you have to help them financially, you have to help them spiritually and psychologically, Mama!
Available for me to reach out and help other people. Simple as that. No, psychological, no. It's not. It's not a psychological warfare. It is how I feel. Personally, this is my own opinion. Okay?
Sige po,
Ito
Mama.
ang personal kong opinion. If I wanted to do anything, there is no one can stand my way to achieve that. Whether I use another community or some people, it will be done.
Because I love you, Mama. I'll follow you
But
there
what
and then
you
I will
need to
destroy
do
the
is
bridge
Kalinga,
so you do it
and
locally.
try
Mama! Come on,
to wait
Mama!
for me that I don't have to look elsewhere. No. No. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Different praise ang sinasabi mo. I'm talking about myself, what I am going to do. Kung yan lang ang resources na meron ako, gagamitin ko yan.
Opo, I understand that,
Sabi
Mama.
ni Limuel dyan, so kung wala kang kalingap, wala ka rin sa US. No, that is a understatement. Nandito na ako sa USA, no? At noon pa ako tumutulong. Although, tumutulong ako, umuwi ako talaga ng Davao. But why should I wait, no, para tumulong sa Davao when there are other people that I know that all my help are accountable for?
Mama, don't mind them. Talk to me, Mama. Mama, I'm your son, not them. Especially not that Shin guy.
Okay. Back to you. Okay, sorry.
Okay, Mama. I know you want to do it right.
Oh, well, I'm sorry.
Right?
Yun guy is my first son, no? So, ikaw ang bunso. So, sorry.
I didn't know I have brother. I don't even know him. Yeah. Mama,
Do not denounce.
Mama. I know your position. I know your beliefs. But you know my principles too. I'm
Listen,
gonna
listen,
attack
Kayo, my husband,
every power.
Kayo, baby, because they are look. Kayo, this is your this is actually advantage to you. My husband is talking. I mean,
He
baby,
is?
because we're talking about analogy and diplomatically how to help and reach other people.
Oh, I'm gonna meet my
What
papa.
said,
This is amazing. Yeah. Get me a bottle.
Nagsalit. Nagsalita tahimik ito kasi nakikita niya kasi mga sinusuporta ko. Ann, come here. They want you to repeat your word. Okay. Okay, ito na. Parating na siya. Okay. English ito ha kasi hindi to Filipino. Okay, what you say?
I cannot hear my papa.
Sabi niya, if you want done things right, you hired an expert.
So there's an
Ano?
expert for charity?
Baby, he said he cannot
I disagree,
hear you.
Papa. I disagree, Papa. You need an expert to do charity? Come on, Papa.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello, Papa.
Yeah, you want things done right. Yeah.
Yes, continue. Hello?
Alam mo kayo, asawa ko, bibihira talagang 1 in a million years lang yan magsasalita.
Narinig niya ba ako, Mama? Naririnig niya ako?
Yan. Hire, what? Hire an expert.
You mean there's
Yes,
an
naririnig
expert?
kita.
Is there an expert for doing charity? Come on, Papa! Harvard says there's no such thing.
No, what he mean? No, what he meant. He said in general, just anything who is. That's why there is a support because they don't. What? Sabi niya, kaya nga there is support kasi ang Pilipinas daw walang proper support. There may be a lot of support, but we know that Philippines does not abide by them. See?
I know,
It is
Papa.
why people are resorting to different ways to support the Filipino community.
I agree, Papa, but the problem is these entities are not the right entities to get support from. That's why they're poverty porn. Come on, Papa.
The Kalingap that I'm supporting in which is all transparent, so they disagree with it.
I know, and I'm gonna prove it to you before I die, Mama and Papa.
So, ayan, sabi niya, kaya lang, ditong Kalingap, may mga supporter, pero walang mga enforcer.
That's why it's not the proper agency to do it, Papa.
Iba ang mentality ng asawa ko, masyadong Americanized.
And I think I can get along with him,
Kaya
Mama.
tayo.
See? Sino ba dyan yung emo guy? Emo guy and that mama bird
So I want to hear
girl?
Papa says it all. Sit down over here. Kasi ang asawa ko, matagal na yan, noon pa, sabi niya, ayaw na niya magbigay ng advice kasi karamihan ng mga tao never listen. Okay? At matagal na yan, he will just be wasting his words. Ito po, suportado ako ng asawa ko dahil nakikita niya talaga mga ginagawa ko. Sumasama yan sa akin, sa Pinas, no? Nakikita niya mga tinutulungan ko at nakikita niya mga ginagawa ko dito sa Kalingap. Truly, no, he's very supportive of me, what I do in Kalingap because he knows, he sees mga resibo ko, mga pinag-uusapan doon, no? I think na he knows na ang bawat community, according to him, na dapat magrespetuhan nga daw. No? Kasi magkaiba tayo ng mga beliefs at mga ideologies.
I'm sorry, Papa, but I disagree. The person is the one respected, not the idea. The idea is, if it's actually
It's
worth ridiculing, you should ridicule an idea because it's a poison in our society. I disagree. The person is the one being respected, not the idea, Papa. Papa is from Harvard.
Only you ridicule, your community ridicule because you don't like them, kayo.
No, it's the idea. It's not the person you ridicule. Papa!
Kayo.
It's from Harvard. Come on.
Saan nga daw ba nanggaling ang kanya mga ideya? Bakit hindi mo raw dapat to nire-respeto? Okay?
No, because there are stupid ideas. Do you agree, Papa?
Which idea daw is stupid?
Like, like I'm a cat. I feel like a cat. I walk like a cat. I'm a cat. That's a stupid idea, isn't it?
Who came up with that, sabi niya?
Does he agree with that? It's a stupid idea, right? To call myself a cat and act like a cat, talk like a cat, walk like a cat, and I'm a cat. That's a stupid idea.
No, he didn't agree. He's asking you whose idea is it, Kayo?
I know he should know because there are a lot of cats.
He
There are a
said
lot of
he's
cats
neither
there.
confirm. Meaning, he can neither confirm.
It's called species dysphoria. Come on, Papa.
Is that we
there-
all come from different beliefs.
I agree,
Sabi about
Papa. But
dysphoria now. He's called about dysphoria now.
But it's a legitimate belief on their side, right? But it's a stupid idea, right? Some of them actually call themselves transabled. Dude, they actually sit on a wheelchair forever, but they're not PWD. That's a stupid idea too, right? Papa, do you think
Them, then it's
do you-
not a stupid idea if it benefits them, according to him.
Papa, do you think it's a good idea to get married with a car? How about a tree? I think that's stupid.
Hindi daw stupid.
I know, that's why we have different beliefs. That's why there
Thanks.
are beliefs that can be ridiculed because it's stupid.
He married to a tree. He loves his tree, according to him.
But will he marry that tree and get
Not
divorced
about
with?
ridiculing each other's opinion and belief.
I have a question with my papa.
He
To my
already
papa,
said
okay?
He married that tree.
No. I have a question to my papa. Will he divorce you, mama, and get married to a
sabi niya,
tree?
Okay, go ahead. He said, no, I would not.
Why? Why not,
Ayun,
papa? Why not, papa? Isn't that a good idea?
Because he does not need to marry a tree. Tayo.
But he
Sabi niya.
Yeah, I know, but is there a person who needs to marry a tree? Come on, mama, papa, come on, it's from Harvard.
There doesn't need to, but you could.
Yaya! Yaya! Ang gamot ko, Yaya! Yaya! Kuya Jose, putulin mo na yung internet, Kuya Jose.
Kaya sabi niya, kagaya ng ibang mga tao dito sa Amerika na nag-aasawa ng mga kahoy, nag-aasawa ng mga manikin, so what difference does it make?
I know! That's why there are ideas that deserve to be ridiculed. Because it's stupid.
Well, what he is fighting for is the principles of that everyone has their own prerogative on who they are choosing to believe in. And
That's
that is the
true.
principles. That is the... Kasi masyado, masyado itong, dito na to, Amerika na talaga to, no? So, ito, masyado independent. So, he believes in things that what you do, it's your right. Okay? It's none of anybody's business.
I have another question to my papa. Last question, papa. Can you like bear with me with another
So that means
question?
that me being affiliated to Kalingap is none of everybody's business.
There's a
Hindi ko
delay,
yung
mama.
ng English dito, Malchabatala. Huwag kayong mag-insulto dito.
Hey, mama.
Kasi kung
Can I
nakikita
ask
kayo sa US, I'm
can I ask another question, mama?
how to communicate
To my
with them.
papa? Mama?
Yes, you can ask me.
Okay, papa, what if my mama says 1 plus 1 equals 3 and that's her belief? Would you respect it?
Of course, sabi niya.
Oh my goodness! I don't want
And of course.
I want to go to Mars. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Papa, you spend a lot of money
No, because
so I
he
can
said
study
that
in
is my
Harvard.
belief. Therefore, what we're talking about is that respect.
Isn't it part of respect that you should tell the truth and you
Sabi
can
niya,
correct
kasi
your loved
American
ones?
Buddhist ka, no? Then let be. Kasi it's a pre-counter, right?
Yeah, so I don't know what to say about that, Mama and Papa.
Bakit ba tayo dumating dito? Okay, so wait up for a minute. Let's go back to the topic. Let's stick to the topic.
Yeah, I'm sticking to it.
Dito kasi, no, sa mga, ano ko, ganun lang ako, no, you know, when you are getting older, of course, you're prone to get angry a lot easier and be sensitive in a lot of matters. And especially no, in my age, of course, I'm not making an excuse for that age, but it is what it is. Okay? If I speak,
Yeah.
I will speak with my
Yeah.
mind. And
Yes.
regardless kung ma-hurt ng mga tao, bakit ako nagsasalita ng ganon? Dahil, of course, it's clearly na I was hurt myself. You know, I was hurt too. No,
Yes.
I do feel that. Hindi porket, it's not because that I am a reactor na hindi na ako, I mean, tawag nito yung bato na ako na hindi ko na mararamdaman yung mga banat ng mga tao sa baba. Of course, Engrada de Ortiz was correct all the while na kahit na matapang ang tingin niyo sa akin sa social media, but clearly, I am still a human being. I still felt it, but I go on with it. Yes, I may react to it in one day and say something about it in one day, but does not mean that I live with it for the rest of my life. You know,
Mama, can I ask a question?
as long as
Mama,
nasabi
can I
ko
ask
na,
you a
then I
question,
go on
Mama?
with it. Now, alam ko lahat ng mga tao dito mapagtanim ng galit, sensitibo.
Mama,
Go ahead.
if we should respect everyone's belief, why are you correcting your bashers? Don't you think you should respect their belief and just ignore it?
This is a good topic. Okay. Now, let me explain it to you. Kasi matalino ka. Okay? Pinapag-aral kita sa Harvard. Kayo. Palakpakan.
I know, Mama, and thank you for the tuition.
Let us differentiate between bashers and opinionated.
But that's their opinion, Mama.
I do not condone bashers simply because. Okay, no. It's not opinion is an opinion. Bashers is bashers. bashers talk about your looks, your body, what you look like, what your hair look like. Now, opinionated people who gives an opinion does not necessarily mean that they are bashers. They only give the opinions because we must validate on both sides.
Yes, Mama, but it's their belief, it's their opinion.
It
So
is
why
the only way to know
why do you
how
react to them? Why do you get
communicate with
hurt? Why do you get hurt?
It's not the belief. It's not the belief. No. Okay. Ito. Tayo. Let me explain it to you in a very short and concise way.
Go ahead, Mama.
Ito sinasabi ko kay Mama Bird. Bakit ako nagtampo? I heard everything. Kaya ko ang mga bashers. My point is, na sana nag-effort na sabihan ang mga tao sa baba in general, not necessarily for me, but for all your visitors na kalaban nila, ng mga tao sa baba. What I mean by
Yes.
that, yung mga kalaban na pinanggalingan ko. I understand
Yes.
na ang community nyo ay hindi agad magbabalahura, pero dahil nagkaroon ng pambubuli sa baba, di maiiwasan na ibang member ng kayo could possibly get carried away, get involved by the majority of the sponsors, and it isn't good thing. It isn't a good thing. And hindi maganda kasi tingin dito sa mga tao dito sa community mo, when some member in your community get carried away according to the rest of the pastors who are not part of your community. Eh hindi para sa akin. But actually it is good for you.
No, Mama. Actually, it's my belief that I don't have to control them.
Report to show that you do care about your guest.
And it's also their belief, whatever they're saying, it's true. Why are you getting hurt? And why are you trying to like get back to them? Why? Why?
I'm
You
not
should ignore
speaking
them.
about the people who gave their opinions. No,
It's their opinion that your hair is bad.
Wrong. You got me wrong. Hindi ako nagsasalita patungkol sa mga taong nagbibigay ng opinion. Okay? Ang sinasabi ko dito yung mga taong nambabalahura, si Luki-Luki, si Lawlaw, ito mayabang, ito tingnan mo pangit. Yung mga taong nandoon sa life natin.
But it's their belief na pangit tayo.
Pertaining to this people.
Mama!
Pero yung mga taong nagsasalita ng mga opinion nila, I was not disregarding them. I do validate them.
Okay, Mama, but it's their opinion that we're ugly. Parehas tayong ugly. So, why? Why answer them back?
So why would you allow, if you are for the right course, why would you allow people to speak in your live stream na manglait sa kapwa? I mean, you do have somehow, you may not control everyone, but you could ask them. You could ask them at
Shouldn't-
least make an effort na, okay, walang mangbabas, no? If you want to give your opinion, do so. Pero wag pong manglait. I mean, kasi iba kasi ang mga hindi ko rin sinabi dito na gayahin mong estilo ko. Pero ang pamamalakad ko sa life ko, my people has been trained. Okay, trained. They all know kasi masyado akong straightforward sa kanila na please lang, wag
But it's
kayong
their-
mangpa sa katauhan ng tao dito kasi hindi maganda yan. No?
But
Kung
it's their
mag-read an opinion,
it's their belief.
I will read it and I will analyze and I will make other people who do not understand it.
Why do you analyze, Mama? There's nothing to be
Believe.
analyzed.
Believe? Really? No. There is nothing to be said about that. What I'm talking about, pastors will always be pastors, right? We all know that. But you,
Exactly.
as a host, should have a little control with your audience. And I am a firm believer in that.
Why should I? Why should I? It's my belief, it's my opinion not to have that. Why am I being forced to do something I don't want to? This is not good. You're not
Okay,
respecting my
keep it to
opinion and my
yourself.
beliefs.
Keep it to yourself. That's your opinion. Keep it to yourself.
No,
That's
I need
not
to
how it
express it. It's my opinion that I should express it.
Well, express it to the tree. Express it to the tree.
But it's not
Kasi
legal.
according-
It's not legal here to get
according-
married to a tree.
Your words is sharper than any double-edged sword. You can hurt people that way. No. No, no,
It's
no,
not
no, no,
legal
no, no.
here.
You must realize, kasi Bible believer ka, no?
Yes.
I believe you have God in you. I believe you believe in righteousness. That's why nandito ka sa posisyon na to. Nandito ka sa posisyon na to. Okay?
Is it-
Anong pinapayo sa Biblia kayo?
Is righteousness true? Is it real or is it your opinion?
Above you. No one is above you. Neither lalaki or babae, there's nothing like that anymore. No,
Is
it's
the-
not my opinion. It is biblical kayo. And
So
if
it's
you agree,
truth?
then you should follow by it, di ba?
So it's truth?
Tayo.
Should we fight for the truth, Mama? Papa, should we fight for it?
I know that you are a Bible. You've studied theology.
But Mama, should we fight for the truth? Because I'm losing hope that I should because I need to respect others' belief. Mama,
Respect can only get you so far. But the point of the matter is, how much respect do you really gain by it when it comes to people who actually understand it?
I know. That's why I'm fighting for it, Mama. I'm really confused right now. Should I fight for it or not?
Oh, kasi ganito kasi yan kayo, no? Sa Galatians 3:28, no? Dito bibigay ko lang ng kunti lang, no? There is
Let's do a
neither
Bible
Jew or
study.
Gentile, neither slave nor free, nor is there female or male for you. All are one in Christ. So there should not be any spaces for bashing towards someone's looks, katauhan, and all of that.
No, I disagree, Mama. Because you want to force me to control my viewers. You just said we are all equal. Why should I do that? Mama,
How do you disagree what the word of the Bible said? According to you, you prefer NIV, and also, so likewise, I fight for what I believe according to the Bible.
yeah, and we should fight for it, right?
There is neither Jew, male or female. No, it's
Yes.
not. Because Jesus does not talk about fighting for it. He laid the law. There is no male or female, Jews or Greeks or whatever, to fight and branded someone that you look ridiculous, you're grotesque, pangit ka, sama ang mukha mo. We are all created by the same image of God, di ba?
But it's their opinion, it's their belief. Should I respect it then?
Well, if you follow as a Christian, based on Galatians 5, chapter 1 to verse 23, from verse 1 to verse 21, then clearly it says what we are. And therefore, because we are given the Holy Spirit to acknowledge, to know it, no, then we should accept that and we should sit apart from that.
Should we fight for that principle or not? Should we or should we not? Should we fight for it?
Huh? I will fight for it. I will fight for it. Regardless.
I agree, Mama. Now we agreed on something. I agree.
About what is the fruit of the Spirit in Galatians 5 verse 22. Okay, ang pinag-usapan kasi bakit tayo dumating dito, anak kayo, is because of those people who came from different communities, if it is not yours, okay, which is accustomed to bashing, tulaitan, no, ang lalait sa kapwa, sa katauhan, sa pagmumukha, because they are jealous of someone or something.
And that's wrong, right, Mama? That's wrong. We should fight for
I
it.
will
It's
fight for
wrong.
it according, based on the Bible. If I am wrong, then I will be wrong.
Yes, Mama, I agree, Mama. But it says, Charity, you should help without your left hand knowing or your right hand knowing. Mama, sabi sa Bible, do it in secret. Mama, how do we deal with that? Should we fight for it?
So you don't let the right hand know what the left hand know. Okay, I'm there. Do you think what the right hand and left hand do not feel each other? Because it built in one body, kayo.
Yeah, but it's a metaphor, Mama, and you know that.
Ang kamay mo, hindi mo maramdaman sa buong katauhan mo, sa buong katawan mo. Because we are all one body.
Yes, Mama. I agree.
Okay?
But Mama, it says on the Bible, do it in secret. Do it in secret. Do it. Don't announce it. Do you agree with that, Mama? Should we fight for it, Mama?
I don't think we have all the time in the world to fight for it because truth is, I don't have a lot of time, like maybe 3 years left in my life. But I think a lot of people should know that, should know that. But I am, to be honest with you, Kayo, no, with all due respect to you, I respect to who and what you believe in. But I am also expecting, my high expectation, that you should also respect where I come from and who I supported and because ang nagtulak dito sa puso ko, pagtulong, pagmamahal sa kapwa ko. It's not about the law. It's not about the law.
I'm not talking about the law. I'm not talking about the law, Mama. I'm talking about the Bible.
It's about helping because each one of us. No, I'm telling you na wala akong 3 taon pag-usapan ito. Okay?
I know.
What you know, what you know. What I know, what I know. We both are the followers, New International Version of the Bible, and both of us have been exposed with theology. And I've been there.
Yes, Mama, but do you disagree na do it in secret if you help?
Ang puso at pagmamahal ko hindi batas.
Hindi nga batas. It's the Bible, Mama.
Pag secret. Okay? How can you keep secret nowadays when all of the cameras, CCTV, or all the place anyway? I mean, how do you... I mean, the time in Jesus versus the time now is completely different. We are in the new era.
Can you buy a manager's check and send it to Kalingap?
Just let it go with the flow. Yan ang sinasabi ko kanina. Let it go with the flow. You cannot control Kalingap. You cannot control Kalingap by helping people. And there is nothing that you can do to impose the sanction on Kalingap. Kalingap is Kalingap. Kalingap is registered. Kalingap is licensed. Walang nilalabag na batas. Ngayon, hainan mo kung may problema kayo sa Kalingap, hainan ninyo ng demanda. Simple as that.
I'm not talking about the law, Mama. I'm talking about sending your support to Kalingap in secret, in anonymous, like manager's check. Can you do that, Mama? Starting tomorrow?
Pinapaglaban nyo di ba? Batas natin. Tayo.
No, Bible. I'm fighting for the Bible.
You mind repeating it to me?
I'm fighting for the Bible. The principle that the Bible sets, that's what I'm
We're not talking
fighting
about
for.
the Bible now. We're
Can
talking
you
about
actually
reality.
can you start tomorrow na sending support to Kalingap anonymously or in manager's check without your name on it? Can you do that, Mama?
Could you please let me intervene for a minute. Could you please remove this person here? Giti ni Luki-Luki.
Wait, who? But
Do me a
it's
favor.
who?
Need you to time him out or her out. Giti ni
Just-
Luki-Luki.
Luki? What?
Giti na Luki-Luki.
Wait, what? What's the name?
Yes. Giti ni Luki-Luki has been commenting, basa ka ng Bible, Luki. Ayan, sama ng ugali, palamura ka. Okay?
Where is that, Mama?
Ever since, from the past 4 years, kalaban niya ako. I've done nothing to him. I don't know who he is.
Why is he or she oh yeah, yeah.
Like his behavior, people who want to interfere my affair without them being involved to it, want to be involved.
Mama, she's si Getty Lucky
I don't
is
like
already
people
been
who are disrespectful.
it's already been deleted. Oh, okay. Continue, Mama. I'm talking about I'm asking a question if you can actually give your support
Thank
to
you.
Kalingap anonymously. Anonymously, like in manager's check or anonymously, can you do that starting tomorrow if you're going to help Kalingap?
Would you mind repeating it to me? Kasi nandun ako, nag-CR ako. Would
Okay,
mind
can you
say
can you
again?
Can you actually start tomorrow if you're going to help Kalingap? Can you actually send your financial support anonymously or in manager's check? Can you do that, Mama? It's my request.
I can actually send you I already sent it to you, kayo. Ang resibo na tinutulong ko pampabigas po sa Davao Landing Pad. No, not
Yes,
to
but-
you personally sa live ko.
Yeah, but
Ito
can
na
you
ako
do
kay
it?
Mama Bird.
Okay, can you
Mama.
do it? Can you do it anonymously though? So no one can know that you were the one who helped or who sent that financial support?
No, I don't need to do anonymously kasi wala naman akong itinatago dito. Anak, no, wala akong tinatago dito. I am transparent. What
I
you
know,
see
but
me,
But
what you
can you actually do it anonymously so no one would know if you actually send them support or not? Is that a possibility, Mama?
if I send them support, please elaborate.
Can you actually, if you're going to like help, if it's okay, Mama, if you're going to help directly, it's okay. But can you actually grant my request if you're going to help Kalingap? Do it anonymously so no one would know that you're sending them financial support.
Of course. Okay? Kagaya ng pamangkin ko because ganito yan. Charity begins at home. No? Charity
Correct.
begins at home.
I agree, Mama.
lahat ng binibigay ko sa pamangkin ko, no? Pinapadala ko every month po yan.
Does he know? Does your pamangkin know, mama? Na nagpapadala ka monthly?
Walang paltas yan. I started with my family to do that prior to other people. Monthly, every month po yan from the last 3 years.
But does he know? Does your pamangkin know that you're sending him money or...
Inuuna ko
Her
ang
money?
pamilya ko bago ibang tao, kayo.
I know, mama. I know, mama, but all I'm asking is, can you actually
Yes.
send financial support to Kalingap anonymously?
Ito. Kalingap po, why kalingap kung ang tulong ko papunta sa sarili kong pamilya?
I know, because
Know what I mean?
Papa said that you need support because you cannot do it on your own, right? So if you're going to send Kalingap support, if you're gonna use Kalingap as support, can you just send the money, the financial support anonymously? Can you do that, mama?
Actually, ganito yan kayo. Nagbibigay ko ng suporta sa Kalingap. Alam ni Kuya Bal yan. 3,000, 5,000 pesos every month for rice sa Davao Landing Pad. Kasi taga Davao ako. So, nakapokus lahat ng energy ko doon sa Davao.
Yeah,
Okay?
but
Monthly yan. So,
Yeah.
what is 5,000 to me is just a drop of a bucket. Okay?
so
Alright.
so Kuya Val knows it? Kuya Val knows it?
Support ako sa pamilya ko, mas malaki pa dyan. Yeah. Na ang alin knows it what lang padala ko? Oo. Alam niya ang padala ko doon sa Kalingap. 3,000
But-
lang naman ang pinapadala ko. No, pinapadala ko 3,000. 3,000
But-
more.
but-
Under 5,000.
But can you send the financial support without Kuya Val knowing and no one knows it? No one knows it? Can you actually do that, mama? Do it anonymously. As your gift to your
He doesn't
youngest child.
No, he doesn't need to know or know it. Kayo, andito na ang resibo pinapadala ko kay Momo, no, kay Mama Bird, pinadala ko na yan, no? Yan po mga resibo na pinapadala ko po. Marami pa akong resibo sa pamilya ko.
No, I'm not talking about your family, mama. I'm not talking about your family. I'm talking about other
My family
people.
comes first. Tell you the truth. My family comes first. Other people,
talking-
mga pinapalipad ko lang naman po. No, I don't really, to be honest with you, monthly po, talagang sworn in ko nang magbigay ng 3 to 5,000 if it has to come to 5,000 ipapadala ko, but I never come to that much, no? But doon ko na lang binabawi po sa mga ibang kalingap na nagpapalipad ako sa mga naghihirap po na mag-i-scout. So, that yung mga binibigay ko comes from the bottom of my heart, appreciation and tulong. So, yun po, I never mention anything about it, no? No.
How about this, mama?
Because
How about this, mama?
kung kaya ko naman, bakit ko pa palandra mga tinutulong ko? For what?
Can you do that? Can you do that palipad thing to the vloggers you support and change your account?
Sa mga,
Change your account. Can you do that? Change your account so no one knows about it. Change your account when you do the palipad.
Financial statement, that is way too personal for me.
No. I'm not talking about financial statement. No, mama. I'm talking about, can you change your YouTube account when you do that palipad? When you do that palipad to other vloggers that you support? Can you actually do that so no one knows that it's you? Can you do that, mama?
No, because my YouTube account is linked to. No, anak. My YouTube account is linked to Play Store to my debit card, and I don't want to expose any information coming from that. I know. I know that you know because you already said that you have worked in a financial industry, whereas
Yes,
you
Mama.
actually involved in
Credit
in
report, yeah.
determining credit wise to a lot of people. I know all the beacon score and
Yeah.
all of that. So we know that. So I hope you understand.
No, but I'm not talking about
I
credit
can't
scores or financial statement. I'm just talking about changing your.
Where
I'm just talking about using another
I know
account to
that.
send the
Financial
support to other
statement of that.
vloggers.
No, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that.
It's
I'm
sad. My birthday is
That is my
near.
units. I'm not going to do that. Sorry.
But my birthday is near. Can you
What I do
actually
is my
support?
business.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
care if your birthday. I'll just magpalipad na lang ako sa birthday mo. Pero I'm not going to compromise every information that is sensitive to mine.
No, I want this as a gift. On my birthday, please send other vloggers money without using your real account. Just use another account so they wouldn't know it's you. Just send it to me. Just send the screenshot to me.
No, no.
So I would be happy on my
no,
birthday.
Nice try. Walang ganyan na. Nice try. Nice try. Kayo. No, 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 no. No. Happy birthday in advance. But
No,
regardless,
actually my birthday is not that near, but it's this year. Obviously.
I know you tried. I know you tried. You're not gonna make it.
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to persuade you, Mama. It's okay. It's your belief. It's your opinion, and I respect that.
Okay.
I'm so sad, but I'm so sad. I'm so sad, Mama. But thank you for spending
What
time with me. Can I ask you another question before we end this, Mama? Just last question.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
has Papa ever said
Oh,
anything in public aside this time? Has Papa ever said anything or talk to like this emo guy Shin and Mama Bird? Or is this the first time he went public? I mean Papa. Is this the first time?
No. No. No, no, no. Shen can attest that. Shen can No. Shen can attest that this is the very first time. Many occasions that Shen will say, "Hi, Papa," and Papa is always just playing his ML and just kind of like mind his own world. But this is the very first time he made it because he heard me talking.
Okay, Mama, that's it. That's all I want to know. I just I just want to, ridicule the Sheen guy with the
Bye,
emo
love you the
hair.
same.
Thank you, Mama, and thank you, Papa. Thank you very much, and God bless you, Mama and Papa.
Kasi alam namin pasaway ka. So, we accept you as you are, as a love youngest child. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mama. Sheen guy with emo hair. Pamsu, like this, no one knows who I am, but this is linked to one of my credit card, whether I spend palipad or troll someone. No one who... thanks, Chulo. Paps Chulo. Damn it, evil Onisan ka talaga. How about the Mama Bird? Oh, another one. It's sad. You guys are pathetic. I'm the favorite son. Bye-bye. Oh, paano ba yan?